Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a drive in this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. Let's take a quick look around the GLB. It's going to be a city POV drive, so as always I'm not going to talk too much. If you want to hear all my thoughts and hear what I think about this GLB and if I like it or not, click in the top right hand corner for all my thoughts and the full review. Other than that, you can see the stats on the right hand side. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good in this white we got here. Got the sport package and stuff like that. So we have the AMG bumper, AMG wheels. But let's go and drive it. As per usual, in these city POV drives, as soon as we hit a main street, we're gonna floor it and see how quick it accelerates. And after that, I am mostly gonna be quiet so you can hear and see how it is to drive this GLB out of the first person perspective. In the meantime, I'll drive through this. I can show you the different designs we have. This is the Sport, we have the Classic, which doesn't look bad, but I just think it looks a little too blue. I know it's a bit cold compared to the Sport design, which is red and orange. Then we have Progressive, which is also really nice. There you see that one. And we have Understated, which is pretty understated. You can change the left bubble, the right bubble, and everything to your liking. So if you need to do that, okay, we're in Sport. Let's put her into Sport 2. Instant the downshift, and it shifted to red. That is no issue whatsoever. We're just gonna cut that out. I'll see in a second. Well, unfortunately, an officer is pulled up, so we might refrain from doing that. We definitely want to not do that right next to the police. They might not like us accelerating. Would have probably been fine. Maybe we can do it now. Let's go to Sport real quick. Sport mode, and it's decently quick, I would say. Got the 2-liter inline 4 turbo cylinder, right? 2-liter inline 4 turbo engine, 221 horsepower, and what you can hear whistling up there are our roof racks, which were installed. Well, not the roof racks, the supports for like a box if you want to put it up there, which were installed by Mercedes in this press car. Everybody has been asking why, like all the reviewers, because it only makes the car whistle, and it's not like anybody's going to put anything on top of it right now. But yeah, those are accessories if you want to have audible immersion. No, it's nice to have. I mean, obviously, it just doesn't fulfill any purpose for me personally right now, but if you need to haul a little more, those are great. know if you can see it right now. What is really cool about this map is that almost every building is three-dimensional, and it's accurate. It's actually, the buildings actually pretty much look like this. And if you can see it, there on the sides, and everywhere. Pretty cool. And other than that, interior-wise, we got our carbon fiber accents in this one. Black interior. The GLA we recently had the white interior, well, gray and black interior with a dark open pore ash wood. But yeah, still a nice interior. We got some, I haven't looked up yet if it's Alcantara or suede. Contrast stitching. It's pretty nice. It's a Mercedes. I mean, what do you expect, right? Just the start-stop is a little rough in this one for some reason. Kind of shakes your lower back and your spine a little bit more than I would appreciate it doing. And it's loud. Hey Mercedes. Come on. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes. No, that was the wrong one. Now it kind of...
What do you want to do?
Turn on seat kinetics. Turn on seat kinetics. This one's a little hard of hearing. I don't know why. The one in the GLA worked a lot more. I just picked the car up today. Maybe that's a setting. Still didn't do a deep dive yet. Watch the whole review. If it's still like that, I'm going to criticize. Just so you know. Okay, I just picked it up. So I can't entirely rule out that it might be a setting that needs to be changed. But I just noticed so far, with the settings it has apparently right now, it's hard of hearing. Just want to make sure. Just make sure I don't say anything wrong here. Itself now. Just looking for a gap somewhere where it can do it, or try to do it. Oh, that would have been one. A bit more though. Still recognizes it. Come on. Yes. The brake pedal is pretty hard in this one. Oh, sorry, no, this one. No, this one. A little bit weird. I always feel weird talking to people with my GoPro on. Oh, I never trust these systems. It's doing a good job though. There we go. Good job, Mercedes. That was perfectly executed. I'm still nervous every time though, I'm not gonna lie. Still very nervous every single time. Oh, that was nice. He wanted to offer me his parking ticket. What a nice guy. Anyhow, that was eventful of a drive. It did park itself. So, yeah, turn you off. That was a city drive in the Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. I think it did pretty well. And yeah, first day for me here. Like I said, I always have these for a week. So you find all my detailed thoughts in the full review in a bit. Other than that, I think there's not much more to say. You can find the full review on the left-hand side right now. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.